If you are trying to find a winning product on Amazon, you already know it's not easy. There are thousands of products out there and not every one of them will make you money. That's why smart sellers use tools like Helium10 and the SmartScout. So in their own, they are powerful, but when you combine them, you get what I like to call the ultimate Amazon product research stack. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and check the link in the description below for a free trial and the special deals on both platforms. So let's start with Helium 10 first. This tool is like your all-in-one Amazon research toolkit. With feature like black box, you can search for product based on sales, reviews, price and demand. It helps you to quickly filter out products that don't meet your criteria and show you the one which one has the real potential. Then there is X-ray, which gives you instant insights on products directly while browse on Amazon. Basically, Helium 10 is the tool that helps you to go broad and find opportunities faster. Now let's add Smart Scout into the mix. Smart Scout is more about the deep detailed data. It gives you the visibility into entire brands, categories and even the seller strategies. You can see which brands are dominating, which categories are growing and where there might be a gap into the market. It's like zooming in with a microscope after you have already scanned the big picture with Helium 10. When you use them together, that's where the magic happens. Helium 10 helps you spot product opportunities quickly, while Smart Scout helps you to validate them with the real numbers and the market trends. Instead of guessing, you are making the decision based on the clear and accurate data. This combination cuts down the risk and gives you the more confidence when you launch a new product. For example, you might use the Helium 10's black box to find a product that looks profitable. Then you plug it into the Smart Scout to check if the category is sustainable or not and how much competition there is and whether the brand space is too crowded or not. If both tools are agree, it's a good opportunity and you know you are on the right track. Now at the end of the day, Amazon product research is not just about finding a product, it's about finding the right product with the best chance of the success. And by using Helium 10 and Smart Scout together, you give yourself a serious advantage over other sellers who rely on just one tool. If you want to try off both Helium 10 and the Smart Scout, check the link in the description or the pinned comment. There is a free trial and the special deals for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.